Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we'll be taking a look at why your clothes are getting damaged when you wash them. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Nobody wants to put their clothes into a washer and have them come out with damaged fabric or torn clothes. Always make sure to inspect your clothing before putting it in the washer. When your clothes get older, it is expected to have normal wear and age with these items. As your clothes are getting older, you may want to consider a few things, if it's a garment or item that you like or cherish a lot. Use a delicate or hand-washable cycle for the item. Hand wash the item in a sink tub to prevent abrasive clothing damage. There are many chemicals that can cause damage. Contact with chlorine bleach, battery acid, acne medications with benzoyl peroxide. Solutions used by hairdressers along with household cleaners can cause tears, holes, yellow spots or discoloration. If you know your clothing has been in contact with any of these items, make sure you wash them separately from your other garments. Use the bleach dispenser if available, or dilute 1 cup of bleach with 4 cups of water with aging garments. By doing this, it will help keep your clothes looking new for many years and save you money at the clothing store. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.